Ever wondered how safe your home truly is? Home safety is a multifaceted concept, encompassing everything from fire prevention to emergency preparedness. But fear not, this ultimate guide will break down all you need to know to ensure the safety of your family and home. Imagine your home as a fortress. Every fortress has its defenses in place, and the first line of defense against a common threat like fire is the smoke detector. Position these guardians on every level of your home, inside and outside bedrooms. Don't forget about often overlooked areas like basements and garages. Regularly test your smoke detectors every month with the simple press of a button, and replace the batteries yearly. Now picture a fire breaking out. Do you know the quickest way out? Designate 2 exits from each room and practice your escape plan with your family at least twice a year. Ensure everyone knows where to rendezvous outside the house. Fire extinguishers are another crucial line of defense. Choose an ABC type extinguisher, suitable for various fire types. Place it in an easily accessible location, such as your kitchen or near an exit. Remember the PASS acronym: pull the pin, aim at the base of the flames, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side until the fire is out. Regular maintenance is key, so get your fire extinguisher inspected annually by a professional. Create a no-flammable zone around fireplaces, heaters, and stoves. Keep flammable materials like curtains, paper, and furniture at least 3 feet away. And remember, never leave lit candles unattended. Extinguish them before leaving the room or going to sleep. Chimneys need love too. Have your chimney inspected and cleaned at least once a year, especially if you use it frequently. Fire drills aren't just for humans. Practice your escape plan with your pets too. Teach them to follow you to the designated meeting point. You might also want to consider installing additional escape routes, especially for homes with second floors or limited exits. Now let's talk about a sneaky, odorless, colorless enemy lurking in our homes: carbon monoxide. This silent menace arises from incomplete combustion of fuels like gas, propane, oil, and charcoal. Symptoms of CO poisoning include headache, dizziness, nausea, fatigue, and muscle weakness. Home safety is more than a concept. It's a mindset. It's about making smart choices and taking simple steps towards creating a safer environment for your loved ones. So why not start today? Implement these safety tips and transform your home into the safe haven it should be. You've got this.